Okay, now let's move on to the same but next 7th B type पे जाते हैं. It is continuation of logarithmic limit. 7th B. Now note down one result. एक result आप लिख लो. Limit x is tending towards 0 log of 1 plus x upon x is equal to 1. Okay, please note down this result. It says that limit x is tending towards 0 log of 1 plus x upon x equal to 1 होता है. Okay, now before we start solving the problems on logarithmic limit, we should know the laws of logarithm. So just for your reference, you may be knowing, you may not be knowing, irrespective of that, please note down these laws of logarithm. तब लिखो. इसके बाद ये रिजल्ट कैसे अप्लाई करना है मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. But before we start off with the problems, just note down laws of logarithm. Laws of logarithm. Okay. The first law is called as the product law. Short form लिख रहा हूँ मैं product law का PL. Written product law. It says that log of m into n to the base a is nothing but equal to log m to base a plus log n to base a. Come on, write down along with me. I will rub this off these laws. I will rub it off. Result मैं आपके सामने रखूंगा. Okay, what does product law say? Multiplication gets converted to plus, vice versa way plus to multiplication में convert हो जाता है. ये है product law. Next है देखो आप exponent law. Okay, what does exponent law say? Log of m raised to n to the base a is nothing but equal to n into log of m to the base a. So whatever is present in power of m, it comes in multiplication, and whatever is present in multiplication goes to the power. This is what exponent law is. And the third one is nothing but the quotient law. So what is quotient law? Log of m upon n to the base a is nothing but equal to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Okay, so these are the 4 laws of logarithm that we are going to require while solving the examples. There is change of base law also, but change of base law is not necessary when we are solving these problems. Okay, so product law, exponent law, and quotient law. Please note down these laws of logarithm. Then we'll move ahead. Okay, so let's move ahead. I rub this off. Laws of logarithm मैं हटा देता हूँ यहाँ से. Now let us move on to the problems that are dependent on these results. Let us understand कि इन results को कैसे apply करना है. Okay, so write on the heading, evaluate the following limits. Heading लिखो, evaluate the following limits. ठीक है, write on question number 1. ठीक है, लिखो question, limit x is tending towards 0 log of 1 plus 8x by 3 upon x. This is to be evaluated. Just started with a simple example. If this example is asked in exam, it will carry 1 mark. Okay, now as we all know that whenever we are starting with the solution, we are supposed to say let L is equal to, अभी हम लिखेंगे क्वेश्चन, लिमिट x is tending towards 0, it's nothing but log of 1 plus 8x by 3 upon x. Okay, now just pay attention, then you can note down. Now what does the result say students? कि एक तो लिमिट एंड लॉग का कॉम्बिनेशन होना चाहिए. We should have a combination of limit and log. Okay, at this place we should have always 1. And whatever quantity is present over here, that should be present in the denominator. तो अगर ऐसा फॉर्मेट है, लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टुवर्ड्स 0 log of 1 plus x upon x वाला सिचुएशन है हमारे पास, then it is going to become nothing but equal to 1. Okay, now you observe limit है log है, yes, limit है log है, 1 है, yes. Now what it says that whatever quantity is present over here should be present in the denominator. So chalo likho next step after this. Now since it is just the beginning, I will go stepwise. What will happen? Limit x is tending towards 0, log of 1 plus 8x by 3 is already given, upon में x already है. अच्छा, अभी हमें क्या करना है? We have to make an adjustment. So what does the result says? Whatever quantity is present in the numerator should be present in the denominator. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 8x by 3 जिसमें से x already है. What is missing is 8 by 3. तो 8 by 3 से हम divide करेंगे और 8 by 3 से हम multiply करेंगे. Multiply and divide by 8 by 3. अच्छा, now what will happen? According to the result, ये जो पूरी चीज है ये 1 हो जाएगी. Limit x tending towards 0, log of 1 plus x upon x is nothing but equal to 1. So therefore, what is this going to become? Therefore, L is equal to, this is going to become 1, but 8 by 3 remains, and 1 into 8 by 3 is nothing but equal to 8 by 3. Problem is over. इसके लिए हमने कौन सा रिजल्ट अप्लाई किया है? ये वाला रिजल्ट. Limit x is tending towards 0, log of 1 plus x upon x is equal to 1. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक रीजन आप याद रख सकते हो कि as x is tending towards 0, 8x by 3 is also tending towards 0. तो देखो रिजल्ट भी लिख देता हूँ. कौन सा रिजल्ट हमने अप्लाई किया है? We have applied the result limit x is tending towards 0, log of 1 plus x upon x is equal to 1. ये रिजल्ट अप्लाई किया है. अच्छा, यहाँ पे x tending towards 0 है और यहाँ पे 8x by 3 है. So we also know that as x is tending towards 0, therefore 8x by 3 will be also tending towards 0. ये एग्जाम में लिखना जरूरी नहीं है, but yes, you can mention the result that we are applying. Okay, so this is the final answer. Please note down. Then we'll move on to the next question. Okay, so let's move on to question number 2 after this. Okay, write down example 2. Okay, अब मैं directly L is equal to लिख के start करता हूँ question का. Okay, write down L is equal to limit x is tending towards 0. Write down, this is written log 100 plus log of 0.01 plus x whole upon 5x and close the bracket. Again, if this question is asked, it will not carry more than 1 mark. 1 or maximum 2 marks. Max to max. Okay, now obviously log वाला टर्म दिख रहा है तो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि रिजल्ट अप्लाई करना है. बट ये रिजल्ट अप्लाई करने के लिए इट शुड बी लॉग, लिमिट लॉग का तो कॉम्बिनेशन होना चाहिए जो कि ऑलरेडी है, बट वी शुड हैव 1 प्लस x, ऐसा 1 होना चाहिए. नाउ वी आर हैविंग 100 और लॉग के दो टर्म्स है. नाउ रिकलेक्ट इन द नोटबुक आई हैव गिवन यू इन राइटिंग द प्रोडक्ट लॉ. log m plus log n is nothing but equal to log of m into n. So let's apply the law of logarithm over here. तो लिखो क्या हो जाएगा? Therefore L is equal to, I don't, limit x is tending towards 0. This is going to become log of 100 multiplied by 0.01 plus x upon 5x is going to remain the same. Okay, please check this step. Okay, now what we'll do, two things at the same time. 1/5 constant है वो लिमिट के बाहर आ जाएगा. This 100 will be multiplied inside the bracket. ये देखो, ये जो 100 है ये दोनों टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. ठीक है, और 1/5 वहां से बाहर आ जाएगा. What will this be equal to? Write down, this is further equal to 1/5 outside the limit. Now this is going to become limit x is tending towards 0, this will be log of 1 plus 100x upon x, close the bracket. What we have done students, 1/5 कांस्टेंट है, उसको लिमिट के बाहर निकाल दिया हमने. Okay, now we are going to apply this result. Okay, just give me a minute. Now what does the result say? That whatever quantity, अब पहले तो ये देख लो लिमिट लॉग का कॉम्बिनेशन है, यहाँ पे 1 मिल चुका है. Now it says whatever quantity is present over here should be present in the denominator. So you know what we'll have to do? Multiply and divide by 100. Yes, that's right. Okay, so this will be also equal to, next step में आप लिखो, this will be equal to 1/5 limit x is tending towards 0. This will be log of 1 plus 100x upon x पहले से था, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट क्लोज कर दो. So now what we are supposed to do is divide by 100 and multiply by 100. अब ये पूरा 1 हो जाएगा. Why? The result says it's going to become 1. So 1/5. This is going to become 1. ये 1 हो गया. Into 100 remains. So 100 upon 5. So value of the limit is nothing but equal to 20, and the problem is over. Okay, please make a note of this. Okay, let's move on to the next question now. So question number 2 is over. I just rub off this heading also. Give me a minute. Okay, now write down question number 3. Third question लिखो आप. L is equal to limit x is tending towards 0. Okay, log of a plus x minus log of a minus x whole upon x. Now again I am taking down this example in the generalized format. ये general form में ले रहा हूँ. You know what it means, general form. यहाँ पे a के जगह पे कोई और दूसरा भी वैल्यू हो सकता है. a can take the value 2, ठीक है, a can take the value 1 2 3 4 5 6, कोई भी वैल्यू ले सकता है. खाली हम जनरल फॉर्मेट में ले रहे हैं प्रॉब्लम को. ओके, नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. अब ये रिजल्ट इसके ऊपर डायरेक्टली नहीं अप्लाई होगा. नाउ व्हाट विल बी डूइंग ओवर हियर इज, फर्स्ट वी विल बी टेकिंग a कॉमन. देखो सबसे पहले लिमिट लॉग तो है इस पोजीशन में, जहां पर a है वहां पे हमें 1 चाहिए. So what we'll be doing, we'll be taking a common from both these brackets. Okay, let us write down and better understand it. Okay, chalo write down solution. Now this kind of problem is going to carry 3 marks in exam. Please, it's an important example. So because this is equal to what? Write down limit x is tending towards 0. Okay, now what will happen? Log of, we have to take a common. तो a कॉमन लेंगे तो यहाँ से क्या बचेगा? 1 plus x by a will be left out. Okay, minus log of, similarly from here also we'll be taking a common. यहाँ से भी a common लेंगे तो this is also 1 minus x by a left out over here. Whole upon, in the denominator we are already having x. Please check the first step. From both the brackets, inside the bracket only we have taken a common. Very simple step to be understood. Okay, now what we'll be doing, students, we'll be applying the product law. What it says, log of m into n. This is m and this whole thing is n. And so log of m into n वाला law हम apply करेंगे. So log of m into n is nothing but log m plus log n. So देखो next step, what will this become? This will be further equal to, write down limit x is tending towards 0. This will be written as log a. चाहिए तो एक ब्रैकेट डाल लो आप. It will be written as log a into gets converted to plus and this will be written as log of 1 plus x by a. Close the bracket. Okay, minus sign, then open up a bracket again. Now this will be similarly written as log a plus log of 1 minus x by a. ऐसा लिखेंगे हम इसको, and this is completely divided by x. Okay, please make a note over here, note till here. Product law हमने apply किया है students. Okay, now let us make the change in the same. After this, what we'll be doing, I will open up the second bracket. ये जो second वाला bracket है, I will open up with the help of minus sign. तो minus sign दोनों terms को जाएगा. तो चलो, in the next step, what is going to happen? See over here. ये मैं bracket यहाँ से हटा देता हूँ. ये जो first वाला bracket है, I will just wave this off. अच्छा, यहाँ से ये minus sign से bracket open होगा, तो this term will become negative, as well as this term will also become negative. The terms will become negative. Now you'll observe what is going to happen, students. ये plus log a और minus log a cancel हो जाएगा. अच्छा, now let us write down what is left out. जो बच गया उसको हम लिखते हैं. Write down what is left out. This is further equal to limit x is tending towards 0. What we are left out with? So log of 1 plus x by a, ठीक है, minus log of 1 minus x by a remains in the numerator, and this is completely divided by x. Upon में x है, and close the bracket. Please make a note till here. ठीक है, so we are left out with this from the numerator, and upon x is present in the denominator. Okay, now obviously I need space, so I just need to rub off. अभी हमें actually क्या करना है? We have to split the denominator. ये जो denominator है upon x, ये दोनों को हमें split करना है. Okay, so I just rub this off. So just remember this general format. Okay, it's in front of you. तो इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ यहाँ से. Okay, now let us split up the denominator. Right now, next step is after this. Okay, therefore L is equal to, ठीक है, right now limit x is tending towards 0 inside the bracket. This is nothing but log of 1 plus x by a upon x minus log of 1 minus x by a upon x, and then close the square bracket. Okay, so nothing much we have done, students. We have just split up this upon x to both the terms. Okay, अब हम क्या करेंगे, ये जो लिमिट है, लिमिट भी दोनों फंक्शन को जाएगा. Okay, so write down next step after this. Therefore L is equal to limit x is tending towards 0. Now please write down along with me. Okay, write down log of 1 plus x by a upon x. Okay, now leave some space inside the bracket. थोड़ा adjustment करना है, आपको पता है क्या adjustment करना है, so just leave a space so that we can do the adjustment in the same step. Okay, वैसे यहाँ पे limit इसको भी split हो जाएगा, minus limit x is tending towards 0, ये हो जाएगा log of 1 minus x by a upon x, और इस ब्रैकेट में भी थोड़ा सा जगह छोड़ दो. We have to make an adjustment. Okay, now see what adjustment is to be made. What does the result say? देखो limit log आ गया, यहाँ पे 1 आ गया. Now the result says that whatever quantity is present over here, that same thing should be present in the denominator. ठीक है ना? So now see what is going to happen. I'll just rub this off. Okay, few steps are remaining. अभी क्या करना है? X by a है, तो we divide by a and we multiply by a. A से divide किया, a से multiply किया denominator में. Now see over here, there is a minus sign over here. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Minus a से divide करेंगे and minus a से multiply करेंगे. See the result is for plus. but because there is a minus sign, we need to adjust that negative sign. That's why we do this. Okay, now see what is going to happen. According to this result, ये पूरा 1 हो जाने वाला है और ये भी 1 हो जाने वाला है. Why? Check out the result on the board. जानबूझ के मैंने रिजल्ट आपके सामने रखा है so that you can keep referring and you can better understand it. Okay? Therefore, L is equal to, अच्छा देखो अभी क्या हो गया, ये 1 हो गया, ये 1 हो गया, पर यहाँ से 1 by a बच गया, माइनस रिमेनिंग सेम, ये भी 1 हो गया और यहाँ से क्या बच गया, तो माइनस 1 by a बच गया. Okay, now check out what is this. 1 by a plus 1 by a is nothing but equal to 2 by a, and that is the final answer and the value of the limit. Chalo, please note down. It's very simple and interesting. Okay, now let's move on to the similar type of example. ऐसा और एक example ले लेते हैं. ये general form में था, अभी हम particular लेते हैं. But before moving on to the fourth example, just make a note. I'll tell you, don't worry. The note is related to this problem itself. ठीक है, अभी आप लिख लो note. Right on. What does the note says? In the above problem, in above problem, if denominator contains sin x or tan x, in the above problem, if the denominator contains sin x or tan x, then always divide numerator and denominator by x. ठीक है, and then we'll solve. We'll always divide numerator and denominator by x और फिर हम प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, चलो तो राइट डाउन नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. बिगिनिंग पार्ट आई विल डू इट, उसके बाद जब हम सिमिलर पहले जैसा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा फिर मैं आपको दूंगा सर. ओके, चलो तो राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. L is equal to, write down, limit x is tending towards 0, write down, log of 7 plus x minus log of 7 minus x upon, ठीक है, upon tan x लिख लो. चलो, now you observe the previous example, question number 3. आप देखो आपके नोटबुक में उधर क्या था, लिमिट x is tending towards 0, log of a plus x minus log of a minus x upon x था. अभी क्या चेंज कर दिया, a की जगह पे मैंने आपको नंबर 7 दे दिया है, and instead of x given to you, I have now given you tan x. Okay, again this question will also carry 3 marks, students. Okay, now if there is tan x or sin x in the denominator, what does this point say? In the above problem, if the denominator contains sin x or tan x, then always divide numerator and denominator by x. So देखो, dividing numerator and denominator by x, x से divide करेंगे, so obviously this will be equal to what? देखो, limit x is tending towards 0. थोड़ा बड़ा ब्रैकेट डालो. अच्छा, अभी न्यूमरेटर में क्या मिलेगा, राइट डाउन, log of 7 plus x minus log of 7 minus x upon x, numerator divided by x, also denominator also divided by x, close the bracket. ठीक है, अभी देखो रिजल्ट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक लिमिट्स में हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं स्टूडेंट. ये लिमिट x is tending towards 0, tan x by x, ये 1 हो जाने वाला है. You know, we have done trigonometric limits. This is going to become 1. अब ये 1 हो गया. So now what is left out? Let's write down that. क्या बच गया उसे लिखते हैं हम. Okay, so write down, make a note of it. So this will be further equal to, उसे लिखो आप, limit x is tending towards 0. Okay, this is going to become log of 7 plus x minus log of 7 minus x completely divided by x. This is we are left out with. Now you check this problem and the previous problem, exactly same procedure is to be followed. Now I am giving you time of 3 minutes. Please solve and let me know the answer. Please do it. Okay, yes. Can anyone tell me the answer for this? What you have got? Yes, correct, Rigveda. The answer and the value of the limit is nothing but equal to 2 by 7. Absolutely correct. 2 by 7 is the correct answer. So see, what do you observe, students? कि जो जनरल फॉर्म में लिया था वही चीज हम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो ऑब्जर्व ओवर देयर, वहां पे आंसर 2 by a था. 2 by a था. यहाँ पे a का वैल्यू 7 है, तो यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा 2 by 7. ये मैं इसको अगर 9 कर दूं तो आंसर हो जाएगा 2 by 9. ये 6 कर दो तो आंसर हो जाएगा 2 by 6. इट्स लाइक अ शॉर्टकट. बट यस, इफ यू आर डूइंग इट इन थियरी, आपको ये पूरा प्रोसीजर शो करना पड़ेगा. इफ इट्स अ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन ओनली देन यू कैन यूज दिस शॉर्ट ट्रिक. ओके. अच्छा, tan x के जगह पे और कुछ भी हो सकता है. sin x भी हो सकता है. tan x के जगह पे tan 2x भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, these changes can be made at any point of time. और ये नंबर 7 के जगह पे 7, 6, 5, 2, 3, 9, 11 कुछ भी हो सकता है. ओके, चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देन. So next question also we take it in general format. So just rub this off. Question number 4 is over. Now let's move on to the 5th one. Just give me a minute. Okay, write down the question. Question number 5. Limit x is tending towards a. Okay, write down log x minus log a upon x minus a. Again, this I am taking in general form. Now, whenever I say general form means वहाँ पे जो a है वो change होते रहता है. That a can be keep on changing. It's an again very important example. Students can be asked for 2 to 3 marks in exam. 2 से 3 मार्क के लिए इसके ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन बनता है. Okay. Now, obviously, what we are going to do in this problem is we are going to use method of substitution. Okay, so recollect, we have already done method of substitution earlier in trigonometric limits also. So देखो, let solution, let x is equal to a plus h. Okay, now what will happen? As x is tending towards a, therefore h will tend towards 0. Now we'll convert everything in this problem in terms of h. h के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो therefore L is equal to limit h is tending towards 0 log of x के जगह पे आएगा a plus h minus log a upon in the denominator x minus a will become nothing but h. Okay. Now students, what we are going to do is we are going to apply the law of logarithm. Log m minus log n is nothing but equal to log of m by n. तो लिखो क्या हो जाएगा? This is further equal to limit h is tending towards 0. This will be written as log of a plus h upon a, and upon में h is already present. Please check. Log m minus log n is log of m by n. Okay, please note down till here. Okay, now what is going to happen next is that अब देखो ये जो upon वाला a है ये split हो जाएगा. Inside the bracket this is going to split. ठीक है, so write down next step. Therefore L is equal to limit h is tending towards 0. Okay, what will this become? Log of 1 plus h by a upon h. Please check. This is what we will have. left out with us. अपॉन वाला a इसको स्प्लिट हो गया, we have got that step. Okay, अब ये रिजल्ट अप्लाई करने के लिए देखो लिमिट है, log है, 1 है, but whatever quantity is present in the numerator, that same thing should be present in the denominator. तो देखो क्या करेंगे हम, therefore L is equal to limit h is tending towards 0 log of 1 plus h by a upon h. Okay, can anyone tell me what should be done? क्या करना पड़ेगा? Yes, you're correct. Absolutely. Yes, you put it in chat box. Correct. It's divide by a and multiply by a. यहाँ पे divide by a and multiply by a करेंगे हम. Absolutely correct. अब ऐसा करने के बाद ये तो जो पूरा पार्टी है 1 हो जाने वाला है. So therefore, what is going to happen? L is equal to, this is nothing but 1 into 1 by a, and therefore the answer is nothing but equal to 1 by a. That's it. Problem is over. Okay. तो ये जनरलाइज फॉर्म में था. ठीक है, अभी आप एक दो होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस लिख लो आप फॉर योर रेफरेंस. राइट डाउन सम होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस. अच्छा, पहला क्वेश्चन इसी से रिलेटेड देता हूँ, ये बोर्ड पे है तो आप लिख लो. लिमिट, राइट डाउन लिमिट x is tending towards 5 log x minus log 5 upon x minus 5. ये आपका फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है होमवर्क के लिए. अब कंपेयर करो, सेम प्रोसीजर अप्लाई करना है. यहाँ पे a के जगह पे 5 दिया गया है, तो जैसे x is equal to a plus h डाला, वैसे सिमिलरली आप x is equal to 5 plus h डाल के इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करोगे. ओके, यहाँ पे एक ट्रिक आप बाद में, अगर एमसीक्यू है विद मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन, आप ट्रिक भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. इस लिमिट का वैल्यू 1 by a आता है. ऑब्वियसली आप कंपेयर करो, अगर इसका वैल्यू 1 by a है तो इसका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस? पुट इट इन चैट बॉक्स. यस यस आकाश, आई कैन सी. यस एब्सोल्युटली, इसका आंसर होना चाहिए 1 by 5. करेक्ट, वेरी गुड आकाश. चलो नेक्स्ट. ये फर्स्ट एग्जांपल हो गया आपका होमवर्क के लिए. अभी सेकंड एग्जांपल आप लिख लो. नोट डाउन एग्जांपल 2 व्हिच इज रिलेटेड टू द प्रीवियस सच एग्जांपल्स. ठीक है, ये एक हो गया. अभी आप लिख लो लिमिट x is tending towards 0 log of 6 minus x minus log of 6 plus x upon sin x. इसको आप सॉल्व करोगे एज एन होमवर्क सेक्शन. लिमिट x is tending towards 0 log of 6 minus x minus log of 6 plus x upon sin x. Now please be careful, जब हमने प्रॉब्लम को किया था तो यहाँ पे प्लस साइन था और यहाँ पे माइनस साइन था. अब मैंने उल्टा किया है, यहाँ पे माइनस दिया और यहाँ पे प्लस दिया है. प्लीज सॉल्व इट केयरफुली. नो डाउट यू कैन रेफर दोज प्रॉब्लम्स दैट वी हैव डन इन द क्लास and then you can do this. Only one change I have made. यहाँ पे प्लस यहाँ पे माइनस था क्वेश्चन में जो हमने किया. अब यहाँ पे माइनस और यहाँ पे प्लस दिया है. So please note down these two questions for your homework section. Okay. So with these two questions and with all these questions, we have finished off with logarithmic limits. Now next time when we meet, we'll be starting off with exponential limits. Please keep watching. Thank you.